50 more men than women on a concert day 1. So day 1, my man is 50 more than woman. Okay, so let's put here man, woman. Here is 50. Okay, and then you know that day 2, my man remains the same. Okay, maybe I will just draw over here. Day 2, my man remains the same, but then my woman becomes shorter. Okay, and then I have day 2, I have 950 audience. So it is how much shorter? Is actually 20%, reduced by 20%. So here will be 80%. Okay, so now we see, let's us see this. Let's see this. Okay, here I don't know what is this value, but I know here is 50. I don't know what is this value, but here I can put X. Okay, likewise over here will be 50, and then this whole thing is X. But what about this? X, in this case, that means 100%. 100% when you change to a number, it becomes equals to 1. But then if I reduce by 20, I reduce by 20%, because the female I reduce by 20%, which means I only have 80% left. 80% when change to number is actually 0.8 of X. So here X is the number of audience. Here is actually X, which is 1. Then here is 0.8X. Okay, so if you were to do calculation, right, you take, because this is 50, you can change it over. It's actually X plus 0.8X at 50 equals 950. Okay, so 950, you move this over 900, 1.8X. So X, you've noticed that it's actually 500. Then you can calculate in total how many audience are there. If X equals to 500, X is the number of, here is 500, here is 500, day 1. There is actually how many audience? 500. For day 1 for men, it's actually 550 for men, and for women is 500. Okay, so I will have 1050. Okay, then day 2, X is 500, right? The men remain the same, 550. But then here is not. Here is 0.8 times X. So what is 0.8 times X? You put here 0.8 times X is 500. And then you notice that you will actually, this is 400. So it's 550 at 900 at 400. This is 950. Actually, it's very redundant that I do day 2, because you notice that day 2 is actually this. So you notice day 1 at day 2, total number of audience will be 1050 at 950. Actually will give me a value of 2000. If one ticket cost, total cost of ticket will be 2000 times 108, because one ticket costs 108. So I will have this value 216123. Okay, that's all.